How to make a parametric modular kitchen casework in Revit. Part 10, base unit 4 drawers. Let's start. Duplicate base unit 1 door from our previous tutorial. Copy, paste, and rename the file base unit 4 drawers. Okay, next, open the file. Go to reference level. Delete the shelf depth parameter. Delete this reference plane. Go to front elevation. Delete the shelves. Delete this dimension. Go to family types. Let's delete the double shelves parameter. We don't need this. The single shelf, door, delete, and the shelf depth parameter, delete. Okay, next, go to family type, base unit 1 door width 30, delete. Base unit no doors, delete. Base unit width 90, delete. Base unit width 45, delete. Width 30, delete. Keep the width 60 and rename it to base unit 4 drawers. Okay. Okay. Next, go to create. Select reference plane. Draw 3 reference plane. 1, 2, and 3. Dimension. Select this reference plane, this reference plane, this reference plane, and this reference plane. Okay, make it equal. Then create again a reference plane for the drawer gap. Okay, create reference plane, dimension. Okay, select reference plane, change the dimension to 6 mm gap. Select the dimension and lock. Select the reference plane, copy, select multiple, base point, pick this reference plane, pick here, and pick here. Next, dimension. Okay, lock, dimension. Okay, lock. Next, select the door, unlock the bottom of the door, move the arrow, align, select this reference plane, select the bottom of the door, and lock. Okay, select the door, copy, okay, align, select this reference plane, select the top of the door, and lock. Select this reference plane, select the bottom of the door, lock. Select the center reference plane, select the center of the door, and lock. Okay, copy. Okay, align the door to the reference plane, select the reference plane, select the bottom of the door, lock. Select the center of the door, and lock. One more, select the door, copy. Okay, align the door, lock. Okay, select this reference plane, select the top of the door and lock. Okay, next go to 3D view. Let's test the parameter. Change the width to 800 millimeter. Okay, go back to 600. Change the depth to 800. Okay, back to 650. Okay, zoom to fit. Save the family. Okay, save. Load it into the project. Okay, spacebar to rotate. Pick. Okay, select the unit, copy. Okay, go to properties. Let's create a new type, duplicate. Let's make a width 90 centimeter. Okay, change the width to 0.9. Okay, done. Thank you.